Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing my Intro Eczema Sample Box from the Eczema Sample Store. I am seriously so excited about this because I just love the fact that this exists. I wish that it existed when I was a kid because I have been dealing with eczema my entire life. I have allergies, so I feel like that kind of goes hand in hand with having eczema. And right now, for the past few weeks, I've been having bad eczema on my eyelids, which that's such an awful spot to have eczema, right? But it's just like it gets so itchy and so dry, and I definitely am not using the right products for it, which is why I am so excited about this box and to start using the products that I get in here to hopefully clear up my eczema. Because in my experience, eczema takes so long to go away. Like, I used to get it, maybe like last year, I used to get eczema on my fingers really bad, especially when it would be cold weather and my hands would get dry. Like, it would be extra terrible on like my ring finger for some reason. And it wouldn't go away for months. Pretty much all fall and winter, I had that eczema. And now on my eyelid, it's been weeks, months that I've had it. When I was a kid, I had really, really bad eczema on my inner elbow, which was so strange, but it was a huge patch and it was so itchy, uncomfortable, ugly, and I feel like I had that for years and I couldn't find the right products to get it to go away, and just eventually it finally did. The one product that has been my go-to for my eczema has been Vanicream. And in some spoilers that I saw of other unboxings from the eczema store, Vanicream is a company that they recommend and they endorse. And I absolutely agree with that. But I even put Vanicream on my eczema today and it didn't really help much, which I'm excited to try out some different products and see what really will do the trick for me, because it is seriously such a struggle and such a journey finding the right products to help with your eczema. But so a little bit more about this intro sample box is that it costs $45, but it has free shipping in the US and you get 15 sample products. And I actually love the fact that they're all samples, because if you have eczema, you probably have sensitive skin and you need to be careful with the products that you use, so you don't want to get stuck with full-size products that are going to irritate your skin. And then I do want to give the disclaimer that this was sent to me for free from the eczema store, which thank you so much for sending this to me. I am so grateful. This is not a sponsored video. I just love to share my unboxings on my channel, and I was extra excited to share this one because I know the struggle of eczema, and if you're watching this and you struggle with it as well, hopefully this can help you. And I just really want this video, this box, to be able to help other people as well. And I just love this company. They're so nice and they're doing good deeds. Oh my gosh, there is so much in here. And just keep in mind that if you want to sign up for this, you can use my code Christy25 and that'll get you 25% off your intro box. So let's pull out some products here. All right, so this is from the brand Puracy, natural conditioner and organic hand and body lotion. Fragrance free for the body lotion. The conditioner, ooh, is citrus and mint. I am always excited to try out new like hair products, conditioners, and body lotions. So both of these I am so excited to try out. And I'm not familiar with this brand, so I'm excited to learn about new brands from this as well. Here we have a sample of the Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen 50 Plus Sensitive. I love SPF 50 plus types of sunscreens, so I'm excited to try this out. It's a mineral sunscreen for sensitive skin, and sunscreen can be so irritating, so this will be really nice to try. And then this one here is from the brand Weleda. It's Baby Derma White Mallow Face Cream, fragrance free. I'm not familiar with either of these brands, but I am definitely excited to try those. Oh, here's a brand. Of course I know this brand. Burt's Bees Rescue Balm with Turmeric. Ooh, unscented lip balm. I love Burt's Bees lip balms, and I have not tried out this one, so I'm excited to. And then here we have from the brand La Roche-Posay. It's the Lippy Car Balm AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. It says nationaleczema.org accepted. National Eczema Association. I just love that there's an eczema association. There's an eczema sample store. Like, it makes me not feel alone. I personally haven't really known people that have dealt with eczema as badly as I have. It definitely made me feel like weird, like I was different for having such bad eczema. Also because growing up, I didn't really have that many other people in my life that I knew that even had allergies. I felt kind of weird for having allergies. Now it's a lot more common. And also, I know eczema is really common. If you deal with eczema, I want to hear about your experience in the comments down below. And if you have any product recommendations, definitely let us know. But this one I bet is so good. Intensive Moisturizing Cream. I wonder if this is for the face or the body. I think it's for the face. I mean, you could probably apply it anywhere. It's even good for babies, but I bet it's really great since it's National Eczema Association approved. And then we have, ooh, also from Burt's Bees. This almost seems like a full-size product. This is Daily Moisturizing Cream Sensitive with cotton extract. Oh, wow. So a big important way of dealing with eczema is with moisturizing. So there's so many creams and hydrating products in here because that's really the key to it. So I'm really excited. I definitely need to make sure to really moisturize my skin because it's just so dry in this cold weather, and to just try and prevent any more eczema from coming up. Oh, and then here's the shampoo to go with that Puracy conditioner that I pulled out earlier in the citrus and mint scent. Oh, this is great. These are some cotton gloves. When I was talking about how I would get eczema on my fingers, something like this is so helpful. And even just for when my skin on my hands is dry in general, which it is dry right now, to put these on maybe before bed, after putting on a nice thick layer of lotion, then putting on the gloves will really help to moisturize my skin. So I love that they included some gloves in here. Oh, I've seen this and I don't have one, but I really wanted one. This is the Extend Your Beauty Spatty. So it's like a little spatula to scoop out the remaining product in your bottles. Get up to 25% more product. It's just so genius. I've heard these are really great, and I hate wasting products. I always try and like squeeze out every last bit, but even still, there's product left in the containers, and this is a way to get it out. Oh, I'm so excited. And another great thing is that they send you a sample product guide with links and discount codes if you want to purchase the full size of any of these products, which I think is really helpful. Ooh, they even give a product list. You know I love getting a product card. All right, and then I already feel like I pulled out so many samples, but I still have this whole bag of samples here. So we've got, oh, from the brand Cerave. This is a good brand. A hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin. Hydrates as it cleanses, non-comedogenic. I think I need to switch to this right away because currently the face cleansers that I'm using are harsh, fragranced, which I know is not good and not what I should be using, but I just didn't really have an unscented cleanser at the moment. So I'm gonna start using this like now, tonight. And then I have, oh, this is also so essential. This is from the brand Sarna. It's Pramoxine hydrochloride, an anti-itch cream basically. So like a cortisone cream, I think is what it is something that I would use all the time when my eczema was really bad growing up. And I even got a prescription version, but that can be dangerous. I guess it can like thin your skin. And I feel like when I would use it, it would kind of like discolor my skin as well. But this one says it's steroid-free sensitive. So this seems probably better than the ones that I had used in the past. But I remember cortisone cream being very helpful to prevent the itching, add a little bit of moisture, but I feel like it definitely wasn't moisturizing enough. But this says it relieves the itching associated with dry, sensitive, and eczema-prone skin. Yes. I'm wondering if it's safe for my eyes though. That's the thing. I have not put any like anti-itch creams on my eyes because it seems like I shouldn't. Next we have Free and Clear Shampoo. Sulfate-free, betaine-free, gluten-free for sensitive skin and scalp. Free from dyes, fragrance, masking fragrance, lanolin, protein, parabens, formaldehyde, and other preservatives. You know, I never really think about my shampoo and conditioner like irritating my skin. And I guess like if you have on your scalp, it's important to use like these better moisturizing sensitive shampoos and conditioners. But also like if I'm using a heavily fragranced shampoo and it's getting into my eyes, like I'm sure that's not good for my eczema. So I need to be careful about that. I never even thought about it. And then also from the brand Free and Clear, we have the hair conditioner. So great, we got shampoo and conditioner from 2 different brands for me to try out. And then we have, the brand Vanicream, my favorite. We have the, Gentle Facial Cleanser. I did not even realize they made a cleanser, but I'm sure I'm gonna love this because I love their cream, their moisturizer. And I was just saying how I need to change up my cleanser, so I am so excited to try this. Vanicream is for sensitive skin, free of dyes, fragrance, masking fragrances, lanolin, parabens, formaldehyde, and other preservatives. I wonder if it's if Free and Clear is from the same makers of Vanicream. They seem so similar. But this is non-comedogenic, gluten-free, betaine-free, sulfate-free, soap-free, oil-free. Interested to see how that'll work. And then also from Vanicream, we have the Moisturizing Cream for sensitive skin, and this is the product that I absolutely love. I buy the giant tub of it. I get it on Amazon, and so this is like so little compared to the giant tub that I usually use. And then here we have a product from the brand CLN, Think Clinically Clean. Nourishing Facial Moisturizer. Absorbs quickly, calming to skin, and does not clog pores. I'm not familiar with that brand, but excited to try it. And then the last 2 products I have in here, Mugu, Natural Solutions for Skin Problems. So I have a few different cleanser options that I'm really excited to start trying. And then also from the brand Mugu is the Irritable Skin Balm, suitable for eczema-prone skin, soothes itchy, dry skin. I feel like talking about all of this eczema is making my eyes extra itchy right now, and I can't wait to go and use these products. Hopefully it'll really help and I'll not be dealing with this eczema any longer. But so wow, that is a lot of products in here. I counted and I got 19 samples, and I am so excited about that. Like I said, it costs $45, but you can get 25% off your intro box when you use the code Christy25. I'll have all of this in the description down below. But I'm also really excited because they're gonna start doing seasonal subscription boxes, not just the intro box. They also have a baby version, which is awesome because it's so sad when babies are dealing with eczema. So great to have all those products that are perfect for the baby. But I just think that this company, Eczema Sample Store, is doing so much good. I'm so excited for what's going to be coming from them. And I'm so thankful that they're helping me with my eczema and sent me all these products that I am so excited to use. And I just pulled up their sample guide, and it is so awesome and detailed. It gives all of the ingredients, it gives a link if you want to buy it, it gives you the discount code. Wow, this is awesome. It tells you how to apply it. Wow, I love this company. I cannot stress that enough. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.